In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Wix website URL, 2026 guide. Finding the correct link to share is the final step before you go public, and it's easy to confuse the editor link you see while building with the actual live website address. Let's walk through it clearly so you can share your site with confidence. First, access your website editor, sign in to Wix, and open the site you want to work on. If you manage multiple projects, take a second to confirm you've selected the right one by checking the site name and thumbnail, then click Edit Site. Whether you're using the classic Wix Builder or Wix Studio, this part is the same. Give the editor a moment to load, especially if your site includes high-resolution images, video backgrounds, or a lot of sections. A brief pause here is normal and helps ensure all your content is ready to publish correctly. Next, identify the correct URL. The web address you see in your browser while you're inside the editor is not your public site. That's an editor link used only for backend access, so it won't work for visitors. To generate the real shareable address, click the Publish button in the top right corner. Publishing pushes your latest changes to the internet so everyone can see them. If you've published before, this updates your existing site without changing your established link. If this is your first time publishing, Wix will assign your live site a public address based on your current setup, either a free Wix address or your connected custom domain. After you publish, a confirmation window appears with your live website URL. This is the one you can share. Click to copy it and paste it wherever you need, your social profiles, business cards, email signature, or proposals. You can also open the link in a new tab to double check that everything looks and functions as intended. Test on both desktop and mobile so you know the layout, buttons, and navigation are all working smoothly. Your live URL stays consistent even after you make edits and publish again, so there's no need to resend the link every time you update your site. The only time your address changes is if you switch domains. If you do connect a new custom domain later, publish once more and update your saved links to reflect the new address. That's it. By opening your site in the editor, publishing your changes, and copying the link from the confirmation window, you'll have the exact URL you need to share your work with the world.